We're begging for peace. Is it really that hard to put your
begging
ego
for peace.
aside? How many more
Is it
lives
really that
have
hard
to be
put your ego
broken?
aside?
How many families shattered
How many
by
more
grief?
lives broken?
How many sons and daughters
How many families
sacrificed on the altar of power,
How many sons
fame,
and daughters
and illusion?
sacrificed on the altar
Have
of
we
power,
learned nothing
and
from
illusion?
history except how to inherit
Have we learned
its
nothing
hatred?
from history
People don't
except how
want
to
to hate.
inherit its hatred?
Humanity is
People
one
don't want to
body,
hate.
and we're here for a blink of an
Humanity
eye.
is one body.
There is
here for a
room
blink
for
of an eye.
every color, every culture, every faith.
is
Stop
room for
measuring
every
human
color,
lives with
every
two
culture,
different scales.
every faith.
Stop pretending
Stop measuring
some
human
children
lives with
matter
two different
more
scales.
than others.
Stop
Corrupt
pretending some
leadership
people matter more than
breeds
others.
broken nations.
Corrupt
But
leadership
people
breeds
want
broken
dignity,
nations.
justice,
But people want dignity,
peace.
justice,
Humanity
and peace.
is exhausted. The world
Humanity
is
is
burning,
exhausted.
and we need
The world
space
is
to
burning,
heal. So
and we need
choose
space
peace,
to heal.
not because
So
it's
choose
easy,
peace,
but because
not
billions
because it's easy,
deserve a
but because
future.
billions deserve a future.